This video explains how to set up and activate a new iPhone in a clear and simple way. Part 1. Things to prepare before activating your iPhone. To ensure a smooth iPhone activation, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection, your Apple ID and password, a recent backup for data transfer, and a charged phone. If using cellular service, have your SIM card ready. Preparing these ahead of time will speed up the activation process. Part 2. How to activate and set up a new iPhone. To set up your new iPhone, turn it on and swipe up at the Hello screen. Select your language and region. If you have an iPhone with iOS 11 or later, use Quick Start to transfer data. Otherwise, set up manually. Connect to Wi-Fi or use cellular. Insert your SIM card, review data and privacy, and create a passcode. On iPhone X and later, set up Face ID following the on-screen instructions. For iPhone 8 or earlier, set up Touch ID and create a passcode. On the app and data screen, choose to restore from a backup or set up as new. Sign in with your Apple ID, or create one if needed, or skip and sign in later via settings. Set up iCloud Drive, Apple Pay, and iCloud Keychain, then agree to the terms and conditions. Choose whether to enable Siri and set preferences for app analytics, True Tone, and sharing info with Apple. Select a display view, then tap Next. Finally, tap Get Started to begin using your new iPhone. Part 3. Set up a new iPhone using Quick Start. If you have another iPhone or iPad running iOS 11 or later, you can use the Quick Start feature to set up your new iPhone quickly and automatically. Turn on your new iPhone and place it next to your old device to use Quick Start. Confirm your Apple ID and follow the on-screen instructions to set up Face ID or Touch ID. Enter your old device's passcode and Apple ID password. Choose whether to restore from an iCloud backup or update the backup from your old device. Transfer settings for services like Apple Pay and Siri to complete the setup.